In this week's Fresh Produce Market Overview, we look at why oil prices are decreasing and the likely impact of the Easter weekend on market price movements. All in this week's episode, so make sure to stay tuned. Hi, I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe and welcome to this week's AMT Fresh Produce Market Overview. Follow us on YouTube and Facebook, where we look at the latest price trends and news in the fresh produce markets of South Africa. The exchange rate traded relatively sideways on 14.67 Rand per US dollar. However, low demand from China due to COVID lockdown regulations and possible higher supplies out of the USA and other countries resulted in oil prices that remained on a downward trend the past 2 weeks, with the latest oil price trading on $100 per barrel. When looking at the latest trends in the vegetable market, the average national potato price increased the past week due to higher demand and traded on 42.75 Rand per 10 kg, with the Class 1 potato price on 46.50 Rand. We're expecting the Easter weekend to provide some support towards prices, but higher volumes can push most commodity prices downwards the coming week, with the potato price likely to dip below the 40 Rand mark again. Tomato prices increased sharply again to 10.85 Rand, which is 12% higher week on week. The Class 1 tomato price traded on 12.37 Rand per kilogram. The tomato price is still well below the levels of last year, approximately 44% lower, mostly due to higher availability, while the lower expected demand after the Easter weekend can put pressure on this price again. The carrot price, which is also significantly lower than last year at the same time, increased by 7% to 4.37 Rand, with the Class 1 carrot price currently on 4.31 Rand. We're also expecting prices to start decreasing after the Easter weekend due to lower demand and volumes that's still on a relatively high level at the moment. The latest onion price increased to 4.84 Rand per kilogram, while the Class 1 onion price increased to 5.03 Rand. We can expect a slight dip in prices after the Easter weekend, but lower volumes in general can keep prices on a higher level as we head into the winter months. Other vegetable prices traded as follows. Cabbage prices increased by 20% the past week to 3.20 Rand per kilogram. Garlic prices increased to 50.39 Rand. Spinach prices increased to 5.31 Rand. Sweet potato prices increased to 3.07 Rand, while the latest pepper price increased to 13.45 Rand per kilogram. Easter can provide some support towards these prices, but prices that can remain on a downward trend after the Easter weekend. This section was brought to you by Nile Marketplace. Nile connects fresh produce buyers and sellers by providing a platform for direct and secure transactions. Their digital solutions aim to solve issues such as price discovery, quality verification, payments, and traceability. Go check out their website now at Nile.ag. Also, make sure to contact Andrew and his team at Halfway Toyota for the best prices and service in the country for the Toyota of your choice. Looking at the latest price movements in the fruit market, the cold, wet weather can result in low demand for most fruits on the markets this week. Last week, however, the banana price increased to 9.12 Rand per kilogram, with Class 1 prices currently on 10.26 Rand. Apple prices decreased by 7% to 6.62 Rand, with the Class 1 price on 6.80 Rand per kilogram. Apple prices can remain on a downward trend over the next 3 months. The pear price decreased to 5.09 Rand per kilogram, with Class 1 pears currently trading on 6.78 Rand. In the citrus market, the orange price decreased to 4 Rand, with Class 1 oranges currently trading on 5.35 Rand per kilogram. Lemon prices decreased to 3.51 Rand, with Class 1 lemons on 5.07 Rand per kilogram. The avo price increased by 7% to 13.22 Rand per kilogram, with Class 1 avos currently trading on 15.16 Rand per kilogram. We're still expecting avo prices to start trickling upwards over the next 3 months due to slightly lower volumes expected on the markets. Table grape prices decreased to 17.68 Rand, while Class 1 grapes traded lower on 21.66 Rand. The latest pineapple price increased to 8.19 Rand per kilogram. Make sure to contact Halfway Toyota for the best prices and service in the country for the Toyota of your choice. This broadcast was made possible by Standard Bank, Nile.ag and Halfway Toyota. I'm Johnny van der Merwe and thank you for watching.